Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal in a pot. First, you'll need your rolled oats, a liquid like water or milk, and a tiny pinch of salt. A medium-sized saucepan is perfect to avoid any messy boilovers. For each serving, measure out about 1/2 cup of rolled oats. This simple combination forms the delicious base for your warm and comforting breakfast. Now let's get cooking. For every 1/2 cup of rolled oats, add 1 cup of your chosen liquid, whether it's water or milk, into the saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency. The secret to perfect oatmeal is all about consistency. Stir your oats frequently while they simmer to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot and to ensure even cooking. If you like your oatmeal a bit thinner, simply stir in a tablespoon or two of extra liquid until it reaches your preference. For a thicker, heartier bowl, just let it cook for another minute or two. Your delicious oatmeal is almost ready. Once it's cooked to your liking, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest for about 1 minute. This allows the oats to fully absorb any remaining liquid. Spoon your warm, comforting oatmeal into a bowl. Now comes the fun part. Customize it with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Enjoy your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.